G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Locksport, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day everyone, how you all going? Now before I make my way down to the surf beach, so I had to capture this shot, because I know these birds are a bit skittish. These are the red ones. That one's a young one by the look of the top. And zoomed in halfway. They're really beautiful birds. When the red really shines, it just really is absolutely fantastic. When those colours really come out. Oh, there's two up here. Oh, I thought there was only one. Is that a pheromone or just yeah, I said before, that's a rare sight to see these ones. I haven't seen them for a while. I think they're using the one of the bird's nests. I think they're using the one down the pathway. I hope they are, because it'd be great if they are. I use that one there. And we've got a lot of pigeons here. Oh, this one's sitting on the bus. Oh, here are the birds now. Oh, a lot of chasing that one away. Oh, wow. Don't know if I can capture them flying past it. Wow. Lots of red ones. Oh, I'll let them go over the bird feeder. I'll go down to the video down the lake and the ocean. You all have a great day here. My name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. And you all have a great day.